Marami ang nalulungkot at nagluluksa ngayon dahil sa pagpanaw ng isa sa batikang abogado na nagbigay ng napakaraming batas at karapatan sa maraming Pilipino na nagmulat sa karapatan na kapag may katwiran, ipaglaban mo. Mula sa Philippine Star Rest in Peace Attorney Season, lawyer Jose Season, popularly known as the host of the TV show Ipaglaban Mo, passed away on Thursday. His son Japet Season confirmed in a Facebook post he was 88 years old. We are comforted that he lived a full life as a lawyer, a husband to Josie, a father to his 6 children, and a grandfather to his 16 grandchildren. Please keep him in your prayer and remember him with love and fond memories. Yan ang naging pagbabahagi ng kanyang anak. Sa nasabi namang comment section, sabi ni AC Dumantay, Attorney Jose Season became a part of many people's childhoods. By watching his program, many became aware of how the law is enforced and how cases are tried and decided in court in a way that is easy for the average citizen to understand. Rest in peace, Attorney Season. Say naman ng isa, as a kabataan na lumaking fan ng legal series na Ipaglaban Mo. Taus-puso po akong nakikiramay sa pagkawala ng nag-iisang Attorney Jose Season. Salamat sa pagiging boses ng katarungan sa telebisyong Pilipino. Ang iyong legasiya sa Ipaglaban Mo ay amin pong dadalhin. Maraming salamat sa pagmulat ng mata ng kabataan na kapag nasa katwiran, ipaglaban mo. Say naman ng iba, another big loss to the Filipino, Attorney Season through his TV programs kapag nasa katwiran ipaglaban mo has helped many people by educating those who are unaware of their constitutional rights, provided the less privileged with accessible legal guidance, enabling them to better understand the law, their rights, and how legal principles apply to their day-to-day struggles. Kapag may katwiran, ipaglaban mo, yan po ang mga katagang naaalala ko noong napapanood ko po ang segment nilang mag-ama. Naging part of my childhood po si Attorney Season. Maraming salamat po sa mga legal advice nyo. Yan ang pasasalamat ng maraming Pilipino sa nasabi nga pong nag-iisang pillar of law. Walang iba kundi si Attorney Jose Season. Request pa nga ng iba, sana nga ay muling mapanood sa TV, replay ang kanya nga pong programa na kapag ka may katwiran, ipaglaban mo. At yan ang ating showbiz snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.